Are you looking for a luxury family car? Look no further. We have this 2019 Acura MDX with tech package available at Kramer Mazda. This beautiful white Acura MDX is known for its great handling all-wheel drive system, and it is equipped with a 3.5-liter 6-cylinder engine, 9-speed auto transmission. This is a local Alberta-driven SUV, comes from original owner with clean Carfax history, and has just over 38,000 kilometers on it. This luxury MDX is well equipped with safety and comfort features including backup camera with backup sensors, navigation, push start with remote starter, moonroof, blind spot monitoring system, heated seats, and much more. This car is in excellent condition and has upgraded all-weather tires installed on it. It is fully inspected at our certified shop and also comes with our 136 Smart Choice buying program. To check this out, come down to Kramer Mazda today.